Hi everyone, this is Dee Dee from Design Decor, and in this video I want to show you quickly why it's so important to strain your furniture paint once you open and use a furniture paint can. So let's take a quick look why. Supplies needed are clean, empty paint containers, a funnel with the tip cut off, that way that doesn't stick too far down into your can, and this plastic mesh strainer. Pour the paint into the mesh strainer. The funnel is needed because the mouth of the paint strainer is a little bit wider than the mouth of the container it's going into. If your container is wide, you will not need the strainer or the funnel. Allow the paint to strain out, and you can start seeing all the impurities and all the chunks that the paint strainer has caught. I've used paper strainers in the past, and with thicker paints they tend to, the mesh strainer separates from the paper, and then you end up, having to start all over again. So I found these plastic strainers to be the best thing out there, and then you can reuse them, rinse and reuse them. Please make sure you strain your paint before you use it.